Polygon custom shape tool is another really great way to make some really awesome custom shapes. First, again, we're going to make a new layer, and then I'm going to go to that custom shape button on our tool palette that gives us access to either the rectangle tool, the rounded rectangle tool, the ellipse tool, or the polygon tool, or the line tool. Now watch what happens. I'm going to use the polygon tool to make a star. First, I'm going to go up to the top of the screen and make sure that I'm on the shape mode. The shape mode is going to help me create a vector object. Now, I'm going to click on the little icon that looks like a gear. You see that? Looks like a little gear. And I'm going to click on star. And then you can adjust these settings any way you want. You can select smooth corners and smooth indents if you want. Or you can click indent sides by. I put 99% because I want them all to come out from a single point. Now let me see how many sides I want to make my star. I'll make it 25 sides. How about that? And now I'm just going to hold down my shift button and then draw outward from the middle. Now we have this really excellent starburst, right? Beginning of a really cool object there, right? Now, if you plan on wanting to use that polygon, that star over and over again, if you think, you know what, I know I'm going to use this again, and I really want to save myself the effort of going through those steps, click on your A button, which brings up your path selector, and then Control-click on your line that you just created. Click Define Custom Shape, and I'll call this Starburst. Pretty cool, right? Now let's just, for kicks, show you how the star will look different with smooth corners, indents, and different settings. I'm going to go back to my Polygon Custom Shape tool. I'm going to click on my gear icon. This time I'm going to do smooth corners, smooth indents, and I'm going to indent my sides by, let's say, 60%. And the number of sides I'll put on my star this time, let's do 20. Now I'm going to hold down the shift button. I'm going to drag. And see, now this is a completely different type of star. It almost looks like a sun, doesn't it? So I'll bring this one underneath my first polygon. And the cool thing is this is a vector object. So all you have to do to change the color of a vector object is just double click on it. Watch, now I can change the color to gray or red. Red looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Now it has kind of a spider web effect. So really easy to make some of your own custom shapes using Polygon tool, and then remember to save this custom shape for future use. Click on A to bring up your path selector. Control click on the line, the path that you created. Click Define Custom Shape, and I'll call this Webby Star.